It's Adrian here. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to format emails, get them looking better to send if you're an email marketer. So just tune in. I've got an email copied that I'm going to paste in this box here. As you can see, this is the email I'm looking to format. Now I can format this original processor, which is highlighted at the moment. So click here, submit. That's how it formats it. So only small spaces between each paragraph. Or if I go back and I'll click on new paragraph detection, paste the email in again. It's the same email, it's quite long. You can see how it's formatted. This is how I copied it. And if I click submit again, it's formatted differently. So it's just shortened it into shorter paragraphs with barely any spaces in between, as you can see. I will leave the link to this formatting tool in the video description, so go check it out, guys. That was the video for today. I was sent this formatting tool about half an hour ago, so I thought I'd just do a video on this. You can grab any email and just change it up. You can enter your desired column width. So if I wanted to shorten that, I could shorten that to 25 and then paste the email in again. Let's go to original processor. And there you go, again it shortened it. So it shortened the paragraphs into less gaps between. I don't like how that looks. You can keep it to 25 and you can set it to 25, drop the email in again. And let's go to new paragraph detection. And then again, there it is again. And this time it's less spread out across the page and more half the page. So it's going to be quite a long-winded email like that if it's shortened. But if you bring it, I'll go back and I'll format the width again. Let's go to 75, let's go a bit higher. Paste the email in again. Let's go new paragraph detection again. That's a little bit better. So that way the email is not as long. The email still looks quite long. So if I go back to format again, I could probably take it up to 125. Actually, can you go 125? 125, yes you can. Let's drop the email in one last time. New paragraph detection, submit. There you go. Good place to format your emails, guys, this is. Just keep trying it. Yeah, it brings it halfway across, over halfway across, so that the email looks a little bit clustered still. But you could soon change that. You could just drop that down, and then do it this way. So you're leaving little gaps. You can do it your way, whatever appeals to you guys with this email formatting tool. Like I said, you can check this out. I will leave the link in the description to this, so you can go check this out. If you like the video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and subscribe, and I will be making more content to help you guys out that are email marketing or just looking for lead generation or affiliate products. Check out my other videos. There's a lot of great content on there, guys, so check them out. And if you have any questions about any of my other videos, just drop a comment, or anything you want me to possibly make a video about, just drop a comment in the video description and I will be making a video about that. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. It's much appreciated. Wherever you are in the world, stay safe, guys, and I will be back with more great content coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.